What's up everybody? This is a quick video about cabinet dampers. Once upon a time, my cabinets sounded like this. So I went to my friend's house and he's renting a home and he was showing off that his cabinets, when the cabinet closes, it closes softly and you don't hear the slamming of the wood. So these are the hinges that came with my cabinets. I didn't choose them. This is how they were when we bought the house. So I looked into some retrofitting, ways of dampening my hinges. So these are the two options that I found on Amazon. This is a Blum or Blum, whatever you pronounce it, branded, and it clips on to the side of the hinge. And inside it has a damper. As you can see, I press it in, you'll see the little tube going in and out. It's a non-adjustable damper. It is a metal casing with a plastic push rod right here. This is all plastic except for the tube on the inside that helps dampen. So as you press it, it softens the push. And you can adjust how much damp you want. You can add more dampening power or less dampening power. So this one is from Rok Hardware and you can get a 10-pack for $23.95 Amazon Prime shipping. This one is the Blum and you can purchase this for 8 pieces. Will cost you $28.28. According to the Blum, you can use only one per cabinet and that should be enough. However, I found that if I use one, that it's not enough. It doesn't damper it enough, you still hear the sound. Now with this one, you can use just one and it was perfect. The dampering is a lot stronger and it's adjustable. So that's why I would recommend this one over this one. So here we are. On the left side we have the Rok. On the right side we have the Blum. And let me just show you, this is the Blum and this is the Rok. Let me attach a secondary Blum so you can see how it performs now with two. Here we go. So you can choose which one you like better. You like this with just one, or you'll need two of that one. I like how smooth this is, but it requires two of them. In addition to requiring two of them, it also takes up more space. So whatever dishes you have here, now you've got less space because you got this much thickness sticking out throughout the whole hinge. So here's a tip on installing these. You want to lock in this corner into here so that when the screw goes in there, it stays in place. If not, what's going to happen is if you let it go down a little bit or like this, as you put in the screw, it's going to bring it in like this much or like this much. So make sure you're up tight against that corner right there. Arrgh. Now this is flush, this is good, but I found that when they installed this hinge, I noticed that this gap between the door and the cabinet itself wasn't the same going all the way down. So I had to use one of these screws. This one actually pushes the hinge out this way, or the door pushes it out this way, and this one loosens it so you can bring it in and out. And this is the one that I loosened and I matched the top and now it's good. So the downside to getting these dampers is that you will see more imperfections in your cabinets that you previously did not notice. So in the end, I love my new dampers. Cheers. Enjoy.